On MHC Sign and Design today, we're going to be putting on logo, DOT numbers, license numbers here on these doors. So let's do it. We need to clean this area off, so we use our rubbing alcohol with our rag. And then we need a tape measure, so we measure everything. We got an applicator squeegee, felt on one side, raw on the other, and our tape if we need any tape. So, spray this, clean this area off real well. I'm going to squeegee a piece of reflective tape down here at the bottom. Looks like this. Goes here like this. So, we've cleaned the area. Our rag is clean and dry. I've written the space that these go up from the bottom, 4 1/8 up on that one. These are a little smaller of a number, as you can see there. So the height is a little bit taller. Goes up a little more from the bottom. So we're gonna slap those on there just to hold it in place. And then we'll take our squeegee, our tape measure and measure up what we gotta do. So let's grab this, go up 4 1/8, and bam, that was good. Up 4 1/8. Good. Okay, this comes up 5 inches. Okay, those are placed. Now, what if I didn't have any tape? What if I completely ran out of tape and that's all I had? I was out in the middle of somewhere and I'm like, oh no, my tape's no good. Let me show you. Squeegee that down real good. We're going to use the raw side of the squeegee here. Okay, that's all the tape we had. Take this and pull the entire thing back. It cuts you a line right there on the back of the tape. Okay, that's where it lines up. Now, I don't have any tape, so I've got to line that up perfectly. Peel this off, so we're like this. This is all sticky, and this white is the backer we don't need. So, take that sticky part, hold those corners, and squeegee that with your thumb right there. That lines up, that's exactly where it goes. Now I'm going to take my raw squeegee, squeegee that part down. Do the exact same thing with the tape as you did on the other side, so that matches. Now peel this back like this so you can pull back the backing part of the material. That can be thrown away. All that is adhesive that needs to be laid down, sticky. Line this up, perfect. Take your squeegee, squeegee down. Take these pieces, you're done with those. Peel that back, exposing your raw black gloss vinyl. Done. Okay, now, here's one with tape. I take my tape, take a piece, and I run it that entire length right there. And like previously, peel that up so I know right where to line it up. Boom. Exposing half of my material. Apply that, line that up. Peel the rest off, throw that away. Apply this. That lines up. this, throw it here, throw it here. Done. This material, highly reflective Oralite rapid air reflective graphic vinyl. On the other side, we have red facing forward, so we'll match that. I want to go just below that weld line. Squeegee one in right there. Grab my squeegee. Follow my line. Take this and fold it under. Done.